'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. 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 You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Casting on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds of breathing in. Hold tight, can't make
Yo, sorry man.
Yeah, my boy set me up there.
Hey, out of touch.
Yo, Chad. Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are ready. The market's coming on live. I'm sure you guys are all seeing it. Again, bit of an interesting one. We'll talk about that very, very shortly. But I hope you guys are ready for this one. We said today was going to be another trading day, another day to catch some big, big moves. So let's see what we can get here. Chris, how you feeling, bro?
We literally chat. That's why I started a little bit late here. The move on gold. This is what we expected yesterday, and then obviously with the PPI being relatively bullish dollar, we're getting the opposite end of the move. But yeah, all-time highs have been smashed.
Yeah, so gonna be interesting, guys. We're gonna see what happens here. But before we get into any of that good stuff, Chris, you open us up with some prayer.
I will. Sure, let's get ready. Father, we just want to thank you for another beautiful day. Thank you for bringing each and every one of us back safely here. Thank you for a beautiful community that we have. I pray that you will guide us and lead us into the session. Pray that you will protect our families, our businesses, our homes. Father, I pray your hedge of protection around us. I also pray that you will guide Keegan in this session. And ultimately, we just pray that we will bring honor and glory to your name. And all of this we ask purely not because we deserve it, but you say in your word that you've got mercy and you've got grace for us, and we want to just tap into that grace here every single day. And we pray this and we ask this in the beautiful name of Jesus. Amen. If you believe it.
Amen.
Amen.
There we have it, guys. So again, going to be a big one. We're going to talk a little bit about why the markets are coming alive. So as always, let's get into it, guys. We're going to start off with fundamentals, basically what has happened on the markets. So when we start looking here, guys, obviously we had core PPI month on month, PPI month on month, and unemployment claims. Guys, for me, thing is, yesterday, if you guys were here, we spoke about CPI coming out, and the way it came out, it's bearish dollar. Yet dollar had strength. We've had this come out now. This is dollar strength, and dollars melting. So again, I don't trust it. So in a nutshell, we're going to start looking at a little bit of reversals. Obviously, unemployment claims is the only thing which you can argue was dollar weakness, but again, barely, guys, barely. Yes, you were higher than the forecast was lower, so you beat the forecast. But I mean, 2,000 more to the top, that's nothing crazy. So I'm not really worried about that. But that core PPI and PPI, that's very, very much dollar strength. And yet we're not seeing that. So we're going to see what happens here. But let's take it over to the charts, guys. So what are we looking at here? DXY. First thing, guys, on the daily, we said we basically have moved neutral. Reason being is the big test, holding that level 100, 900, the big move above, closing bullish. Now we said again, probability tells us better chance to be trading bullish to the next key level of 101,550. So that was becoming a good target, especially previous weekly highs also over there. On the 4 hour, we can also see, guys, the one thing I said was that gap open, but we could see the potential pullback. Why did we say that? The whole reason of the daily pivot EQ very far down over here. So again, trading over here, we said very, very simple. If this had to get bullish, it had to get above previous daily highs. Remember, we said that this morning. If we continue to fail at previous daily highs, we were going to turn bearish, hold it under Asia lows, and eventually that big move came off. We now got the test of the daily pivot, got the test of the EQ. This is now going to become the make or break here for DXY. If it's going to hold under the 200 as well and go bearish, or are we going to be able to get back above, holding these levels and go back bullish for those Asia highs, previous weekly highs, and 101,500. Personally, as I say, guys, that news is dollar strength. So I want to see, does that reversal come around now on the cash open? Going over to indices, NASDAQ, we are as well pretty much bullish now, guys. We've actually slightly turned neutral with a bullish outlook, but that bearish pullback is around the corner. So again, seeing us trade one way, holding Asia highs, couldn't get away, previous daily highs as well, finally breaking underneath, and again, Asia lows untested. So are we going to go for those Asia lows? Then the same as DXY, daily pivot, EQ, monthly pivot, all down below us. So we're going to see if either we trade down for that, but if we can break above Asia highs, hold Asia highs, we will see that bullish momentum continue. Over to NASDAQ, over to US City, sorry. Again, I'm more bullish here, but we are still neutral purely because of the reason we are at major levels of resistance. So we can definitely see some turnaround, as you guys saw, breaking above this level of support. We had this candle go bullish all the way to the next level, massive rejection, and then turned all the way back around. So back at Asia highs over here. So what does that mean for us now? When we're looking over here, you can see same thing, traded bullish the whole day, holding this level we spoke about. News giving it that big push. So there's your retest of a level of resistance, big move back to the downside. So if we get back under Asia highs, close underneath this level of resistance, Asia lows untested, same thing, daily pivot, weekly pivot, EQ, monthly pivot, all of that down underneath, and again becomes a massive target. Even a nice 40,500, 40,600 becomes nice levels to go for the retest of. And again, if those fail, very, very simple, we go back down to that psychological level. So we're going to see what happens there. Otherwise, if we can hold above those levels, we turn bullish, going for the wick fill and break of that level of resistance and back to the weekly R1 and daily R1. So quite simple why we are neutral there. So we're going to react and see basically what the firecracker is going to give to us. I think I can already tell you the firecracker is looking for buys. So we are looking for buys there. So we're going to see if USD can go break that level of resistance. So again, it's lining up with what's happening on the markets. But again, I don't know if I trust it. So maybe if we see something different, we might be taking a little bit of a reversal or fade on the firecracker like we did yesterday. Then with gold, guys, remember we spoke about this. Gold was, again, for me, as I said, yeah, I am bearish, but I said there were two things. It needed to break. So for me, when we started looking here, again, this is where that difference came in. It started to move. It started to run bullish. That was the first thing we had to watch out for. If it failed at the retest, which it didn't. So what am I talking about? Again, 15-minute time frame. If you guys were here this morning, I said to you, I was going to look for the sells, but the sells under one thing. I wanted the break underneath the EQ. We held the EQ back above Asia highs, traded up, broke the EQ, tested the 200, turned right around, no level of resistance held on the EQ, back above. And again, probability now tells us, we've always done this, if you guys trade the EQ strat and USD NAS, you couldn't break it, it's held back above, it's going to be a continuation of the move for the day. That's obviously a bullish move. The turtle wave will tell you the same thing. You would have entered and gone long. So as much as I'm bearish, the whole point of looking for the sells was that break and hold of resistance under the EQ. Asia lows untested. But again, now that we've gone back up, there's your Asia all-time highs. Nice break, pulled back. Again, that for me was a bit skeptical about it. But then the break back above, nice drive. We always talk about this, guys. When you want to finally get there, needs to drive. That daily RTU 25.42. I know we spoke about 25.40 a week ago, I think it was, but obviously fell a little bit short. We can see 25.30 basically previous weekly highs. There was the drive. Daily R2. Is this the reversal now? So if this breaks back under previous all-time highs, back under these levels, anything under this daily R1, I'll look for the sells, guys, because then again, I think that was your drive. Now you're going to finally have that pullback again on the daily. You're going to have something looking like that. So even if this broke like it did now, it drove all the way, it can almost pull back till like here and then literally pull back to still close bullish above all these levels and above. If we are going to go bullish, it needs to close above this level of resistance. But again, still just going to look out for what we can get on this session, but quite locked in for USD. But that's everything from my side. Chris, what you looking at, bro?
Okay, give me a second here, Chad. Give me 1 second here. Why is my chart doing this? So I just want to plot that all-time high level. That's going to be an important level to monitor, Chad.
Like the new one or the old one?
No, the old one that got Clapperinoed.
We're at it right now.
Yeah, just want to... Chad, give me 1 second. Just want to make a note here. Okay, we've got it.
Hey, Alex, good to see you, brother. But you and me are thinking the exact same thing, bro. Exact same thing.
Alrighty, Chad, let's go to my charts. PPI coming out relatively hot year on year, dropping 1.7 below the 1.8 expected. Month on month, jumping 0.2 above the 0.1 expected. And then also we've got the excluding food and energy month on month, jumping 0.3. So the 2 month on month readings jumping, that's excluding food and energy. And the headline print dropping 1.7, similar to what we had with CPI yesterday. Month-on-month readings came out a little bit higher, and then also the PPI year-on-year ex-food energy coming out lower. So just some hot inflation print from last month, which is relatively weird considering that we had such a low NFP print. So a little bit scammy this afternoon. But over to SA40 before we start with the rest. Chad, I cannot make this up. Previous daily high. Opening range low, there was your trade. I was in a meeting at that stage. I had my alert set there, couldn't get the trade, but yeah, just to let you guys know, I was hunting it here, never got it. Then there was the retest, just died from there. Maybe we get another retest, I don't know. But US30 still in that range. I told you guys, waiting for that data. Very, very odd. We're playing around this previous daily high level. If we cannot break away from this, Chad, you guys know what we are looking at. We're looking for a break back down below. But I am bullish on the day, though. We closed above that previous daily high. I want to see price get away from here. If we cannot get away from the previous daily high level, you already know where we're going. We're going for that daily EQ. We're going for Asia lows untested. So that's a very interesting one we're looking at right here. DXY, let's quickly look at it. These were our levels up here where we're talking about it, that daily zone up here, previous daily high rejecting, then rejecting Asia lows beautifully there. That was the one level. And then I also told you guys the 200 EMA is going to be a level of interest, massive rejection of that. So maybe that bearish weekly play is still going to work out, Chad. I don't know. We'll see. We've got today and tomorrow. There's that 200 EMA. We're going to see how this weekly closes. If it's going to flip bearish, still has a lot of ground to make to the downside. But currently looking like it wants to put in a shift. I'm going to say let's check the backside of this 200 right here and then see what the dollar is going to do with the open. NASDAQ, very simple. There's that box we were talking about this morning. Very choppy here, Chad. I don't think there was ever a trade except this trade right here. That was the only valid rejection of that level. Okay, never held above it, never really held below it. This was the first time going up against it, rejecting it, not giving you a lot. I think this is like 20, yeah, what is it, 23 points. So still going to be a level to watch out for as we open up these markets now. Gold, hey man, I don't know what to say about gold. If you guys go and watch Project G members, if you go and watch my CPI prep video, I was saying, when are we going to go and run these highs? I was expecting these highs to be run yesterday. We got it now. That's fine. I honestly think if we close above this breakout level, I think we are it's gonna be easy trading for the next couple of weeks with gold. We're purely gonna buy the pullbacks unless we come back in this range. I'm looking for a breakaway move. I told you guys this morning, we did the analysis. What do we do for the session now? This is what we're gonna do for the session. Previous all-time highs need to hold, and we want to see a continuation move to the upside. We are quite extended though. If you look at even the 200 EMA on the 5 minute, if you look at the 200 EMA on the 15 minute, all of that is sitting down here. So we are quite extended. Sells could play, not saying sells can't play. Sells can definitely play. And I'm going to say my sell zone for me is going to be this box here. Give me a second here. This box here. This is going to be my sell box. If we close below that all-time high level again, close below the previous daily high, then all of this was just purely to get buyers excited, and we're going much lower. But if we hold this box, then we are going to continue to the upside. So we can call this the flip zone. Put that on a t-shirt and sell it. All right, chat. But that's the view from me. What do you think about the cracker key? Cracker lacking.
I'm not against it, bro. But I definitely am thinking of the sells fading it. Spency, it's looking for buys. But as I say, yeah.
Are you looking to sell US30?
If it does what it did yesterday, I'll do it again.
Punch. Okay.
Yeah. Then I'll do it again. Sorry guys, I'm just putting a story up here quickly. Well, I mean, there comes the sell first. Nasdaq, it's got a way to go if it falls. Yeah, if this thing sells again, guys, that's a big sell. Yeah, so US30 might already be going for it, guys.
Okay, Keeks, let's say it just breaks into the cracker zone. Oh, will you take it?
Yo, we're gonna see, bro. We're gonna see. All right, guys, 30 seconds. You ready, bro? You ready?
I'm ready, my dude.
Let's drop down here, guys, to the good stuff. All right. So again, guys, we are looking for buys. Well, that's what the cracker wants us to do, is look for buys. Okay, guys. It's Thursday, baby. Round 8. Markets are open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Okay, bro. First thing, if we basically break Asia lows, I'm okay. Oof, bro.
So not gonna stick with the cracker.
Thing for me, bro, is there's Asia lows. Asia lows haven't been tested yet.
I would love if it just breaks below Asia lows, then I'm gonna buy it.
If it doesn't break that zone, like the last one,
Yeah.
I'm okay to buy. I mean, if it breaks the last one, I
Oh,
might
you
be
want-
okay to buy.
okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because that's that hard punch out that we talk about. What do you think?
Because if it closed now, we technically need to be in.
bro.
I'm gonna take it because I want to start getting that discipline to take the cracker as it should be taken. So I'm in.
I'm in.
I took the buy as well. Just like win or lose, just like that mechanical
Yeah.
view on it. I just wanna be mechanical about it. And I'm
All right, guys.
almost
That's
out.
pretty much TP.
Well, I'm not out yet. There, I'm out. Okay, sure. That was quick.
That's TP, guys.
That is TP Town, boy. TP Town. That was nice. That was nice and quick. Bro, I was still pulling my TP.
I
and
was
it got hit.
I was the same.
All
I
right,
sat there. I'm like, guys, am I gonna go break even again? Am I?
bro. There it goes.
What are
There
we
it
gonna
goes.
do? It's
Chad, weirdly enough, I just want to show you guys quickly here.
we all saw that, right?
Yeah, 1 second TP. Look at this level here. This is that zone on the daily we spoke about this morning. So if you go on that daily zone, there's that daily zone we said we wanted to break. Right there. And I told you guys I'm bullish on the day. I'm liking the bull case here. All right, that
That
was pretty. That was pretty standard stuff.
You know, I really wanted to like hold it and go break even, and then I was sitting there like, yo, this is aggressive. This thing could just punch back. Like, yo,
No. So
Nice,
Keeks, my thing is now I've learned like even if I take 5 losses in a week, I'm just gonna trade the strat
you've
as
got
it
to,
is.
yeah, you've got to trust the strat.
I'm just gonna literally take the strat, win or lose.
Yeah, this is it. You've got to trust it.
I think it's shown us enough to not doubt it.
All right, guys. So I mean,
That
that
was
was a good
beautiful.
session. I hope you guys.
That was pretty quick. If you came late, you missed the dab. I blinked and you missed. If you blinked, if your eye was dry and you had to blink a few times, you missed it.
Oh, bro, that was funny actually. Guys, that was quick, eh?
Peter, I don't necessarily think so. I'm actually going to go back on my entire trade history. I think Ed was doing a back test on his strategy today, making a 2R instead of 1.25R, and I think he only gained 3R. So Ed, if you're in the chat here, I was watching that entire thing. I would actually go for the lower R and the higher win rate, purely because of your psychology. You're protecting your psychology. So for extra 3R, but you take additional losses, I don't like that. So Ed did a test today. I think we can do a test, Keys. We should actually do a little back test like that for ourselves.
I definitely can.
Do like the 1R and then see if the 2R gives like an extra 5 or 10R, then I would say 100%. But if it gives like only 2 or 3, I'm happy with the get in and get out.
Caught 2% was a bit late. How with you guys? I would have caught 4%. Yeah, no, that was quick, guys. Like I'm seeing here, like Oaks was slipped in profit.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, guys, that was.
Chad,
that
by
was
the
quick.
time I pulled my TP, it was literally through my TP. And when I left it, it just closed.
Chris, if you don't mind me asking, Chris, did you take this on the
No,
FTMO?
no. We'll get an account linked from next week. I need to chat to Frana. That other FTMO account
I know how
is
to
no
link it
more.
for you now.
Oh, do you know?
Yeah, so
Okay.
once you have a new account, I can link it for you.
Yeah, unfortunately, that FTMO was sent to TP Town, but the opposite of TP Town.
It was taken on mine, so if you go look on Trade Alerts
Yeah.
on my side, it's there. Quick in and out. Yeah, bro, that was properly quick.
And this was on my personal account, so that's money that's gonna go to nappies and milk and food and shelter, electricity, prepaid electricity, all of that nice stuff.
The good stuff.
The necessities.
All right. Bro, would you... I'm honestly thinking if you take another re-entry,
Above this level.
you know the level.
Yeah, you should be in already though.
Because I'm still thinking about it, bro.
You should be in already.
I'm giving man a time to think.
The only thing I don't necessarily like is that we're trading below that 200. So if you entered, can you just show them what we're looking at?
On mine.
Wait, let's go split. Chad, me and Keegan, there's a level here. So what you can do potentially, you can enter here. So Ed somewhat changed my long position as well. Ed is getting comfortable here in the office. Ed is part of the team now. Chad, this is the entry. I think we're too slow though, Keegs, because
Not yet, because I mean technically it hasn't confirmed. So
Okay, let's see. We might take another entry, Chad. Previous daily high, Asia highs, and then what you want to see is this 200 needs to break. Okay, it needs to get above that 200. There's your opening range high. There's your opening range low, and you want to see this breakout. So let's see here. Currently not holding it there,
I
Keeks.
just
Check
want to
that.
see. Yeah, bro, but then I'll take the short. Because technically, remember, I said for me that news was dollar strength. Dollar's holding the EQ, making a comeback now.
Check.
So then we take the short, bro.
So if we close now in 30
Because
seconds, we're taking the short.
Then we aim for the break of Asia lows. We aim for the 200 and daily pivot EQ. Don't you back it?
No, so I take the cracker and now I'm going to wait for the opening range trade. So those are the two trades I'm going to take.
Okay.
So the cracker paid, and then the opening range trade, Chad, that's the other one I'm going to take. But I think you should be in already.
But I'm waiting, bro.
Okay, let me just short it. Let's go. We're going to short it.
Now.
Yes, we had that nice pullback. Could have.
You can now. It's technically like open.
Go for it, Keeks.
Bro, don't say it like that.
Go for it, Keeks. I want to. Keeks, there, it's at your level. Bro, it's at your level. Go for it. No, I'm kidding. Now I'm going to wait for the opening range.
Where is your opening range?
That's the high, that's the low. So we're still within it. So I'm just
Bro, I'm going for it.
Are you in?
I'm in.
Hey, here we go. Here we go.
Chad, I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for you.
Bro, you gotta have to on the split. You have to zoom in. Like
I know. I'm
big,
going to. I'm going to.
You gotta give the guys that zoom. Gotta give the guys that zoom. Kumbaya. There we go. Sheesh. Come on, let's throw it on.
Right. For me. That's coming for me, Chad.
Keek, sorry, it's just a daily level, eh? This little triple bottom is trying to form.
Yeah.
It has to get. It really needs to get through that. Otherwise, could be trouble.
Bro, don't bring.
No. I'm not bringing. No, I'm
just.
I'm just saying monitor this level, because if we continuously bounce with this level, it could get sticky. Could be a sticky afternoon, yeah. Sticky icky. Oh, there goes gold. Damn.
What's gold doing?
That's ripping.
Bullish.
Rip.
Okay, that's not what I want to hear, bro.
Gold is ripping. Bull.
I don't want to be hearing this negativity.
Bull tool. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the opening range break
I'm
trade.
not liking that then, bro. That you're telling
No,
me.
it just needs to break those that little triple bot. Then I think you're solid.
Bro, that's not looking good. That you jinxed it, bro. Telling me
No,
gold's
man.
ripping. What's NASDAQ doing quickly?
Keeks.
Oh crap. Guys, if I lose this one, Chris jinxed it.
No, man, can't say stuff like that.
Bro, look what you did to me. You jinxed me, yeah, bro.
Oh, man. Okay, now you gotta reject Asia. Previous daily high in Asia. Is there any headlines that came out here?
Come on.
Um,
Do it for the boys.
love the new split screen.
Sorry, Chad, I'm watching my trade here, so I'm not
Yeah, I'll
reading
check the chat. I'll check the chat. You. Afternoon, Chris and Keeks. Any recommendation for good trade copiers as I'm struggling managing personal? I would say social trading tools, Eugene. Very good. Social trading tools. I think it's called something else, or is it called social? I always believed in Duplicum, but social trader tools, very good. I'm gonna just share a link. Not affiliated with them, so no affiliation. It's just I've used it, and it is good.
Come on, just take those lows. Come on, Chad.
There we go.
Come
Yeah,
on, baby.
it's solid. I think now this next one just needs to rip. Here we go.
Just go.
Yeah, go break even, my bro.
Just go.
Go break even, my bro. I promise you. Go break even. Because if it bounces, yeah, it's
Alright, we
not.
break even, Chad. We break even.
Go break even. There's no need to put a risk on the table. You.
Yeah,
Already.
come on, Chad.
This thing now needs to run.
Just rip. A little rip.
Much appreciated, Chris. Perfect, my brother. Love the split screen. Guys, Mo said he doesn't love the split screen. He said Mo said split screen. I think we can clean it up a bit. I think me and Keegan just need to zoom in.
Come on, baby. Come on.
There we go. Beautiful.
Come on. There we go, Chad. Come on, baby. Woo!
2 wins.
Right, come on.
2
Hold on.
wins.
Chad, you know what this means? This
2
means
wins.
Billy
for the
making a
boys.
comeback.
Yeah, Chad, gold, like I said, gold, if we hold this zone here, all-time high, it's going to be a difficult sell into this. Don't...
Tune 23k. My brother, I'm very happy I did not take your advice and I did not buy.
I already say buy. Shoy. 23k. Chad, okay, beautiful. So my trade coming up next is opening range low.
Alright, brother,
If
sorry. I'm just going to take my video quickly.
Oh, wait, let me just...
Alright, guys, you know what to do. Alright, guys, we're back again today. This time around, we found very, very good. We weren't going to take just one trade. We took a first trade, took a W, and then we said, no, we want dessert. So we took a second trade and another W, all taken live. Guys, if you took the trade with us, send a W there in the chat. Again, taken with all of our members, as always, on the live stream, taken there with everyone. You guys can see as they're transparent as it gets. My boy having a good time over there. All live as always, guys. So very, very good day on the markets.
The balance is up. Hey, man. Beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful. All right, Chad, maybe one more in the book here for you guys. If we go 3 for 3,
Cheese.
I hope you guys can give us off tomorrow.
All good things come in threes, guys.
Opening range low, so let's check here. Just want to see a nice little break of this support level here. And then we're actually going to go for that
You're on my
EQ.
screen,
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just... So, Chad, just saying there's that opening range low we spoke of. So if we can just get a nice little break of structure here, we are going to execute a beautiful trade here. Just one more quickly. Let's see if we can reject it. And then we're going to go for one more. One last little nibble. One last little niblet. We eating today, boys. Hey. Traders are glad, brokers are sad. Traders are eating, yeah. Hey, champ, well done. Well done. Yeah, Chad, we're gonna put in our annual leave form for tomorrow. So if we get this third win, I hope you guys can gonna give us off for tomorrow. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. All right, Chad. Here we go. 1 minute. Let's see if we can break here. Very simple trade idea here. Opening range low. We're gonna go for this next zone, that weekly pivot. I just want to check something here quickly. We've got 43 seconds. Okay, yeah, we can go back to that zone. So let's see. Just need a nice little break of structure here. Otherwise, this is the fake out. But it is looking relatively bearish here. It is looking relatively bare. 21 seconds. Playing with some real money here today. Wait, here we go. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Chad, I'm in some shorts here. Literally.
On, bring it home for us.
Flip. Oh.
Are you in this?
Yeah.
Woo! Bring it home.
I must just get this setting right of
Bring it home.
here.
You just broke that 47.50, bro. You going back to that weekly pivot? Are you gonna get TP? Is that TP?
No. Yo, Eddie G nuked us, yeah. Chad, sorry man. There's the trade. Yeah, this zone, yeah, I think we can get a bounce there. I'm not break even yet. I'm gonna give it maybe 1 more minute candle. Haven't even pulled my TP yet. Shibbit. Let me just pull my TP quick.
Bro, I'm just saying, we had 2 days of so much volume, and both times we pulled out early.
No, I'm happy with this. That's 2 wins in the bag. Quick. Chad, what I will say though is if we start hitting this level here, I'm gonna go break even on this. And then once we break that session low, I want to see volume. Okay, Chad, let's go break even right there. Let's go break even. We want to see volume coming in here. Okay, now we're in that zone. It's a tight little zone. Punch that TP for us. Punch it for the boys. Go.
Bring it home, bro. Bring it home.
Go. Almost there. A little bit more. A little bit. Tap it. Kiss
Come
it.
on, it's going, bro. It's going.
Oof.
It's going.
Okay, Chad. If we there.
It's gonna punch it.
Yeah, Chad. There we go, baby.
3 for 3 in 1 day, Chad. Come on.
All right.
Come on.
Can't, Chad, we can't complain here today.
They're not like us, son.
Okay, so past phase 1. Damn, bro. Chad, yeah, I think that was the plan. We said the second trade for me was opening range low. Keegan, I don't know, Chad. That's the beauty of sticking around, going for that weekly pivot now. Keegs, I can't complain. It's been a beautiful day. 3 for 3. 3 for 3.
Bro, you can't. Come on, guys. Come on. 3 for 3. And big trades. We're not 10 pippers, yeah? These are some monsters for you guys.
Nah, bro, that's a session, dude.
That session, guys. Come on, guys.
That was literally like quick 180 points. Not even. Well played, Chad. That was incredible. That was incredible. Quick in and out.
Hey guys, 180. I got more than that, guys. That's what we were saying. That was just where ours were. Guys got slipped. Like Oaks were getting. This is his TP central there today.
Bro, you know-
3 for 3.
but listen,
TP is getting slipped. The fastest TP in history. It's
Bro, but if you think about it now, so the opening range low was established. You could have actually, once it broke below the opening range low, waited for this, and you could have also taken this trade with your other one. So that's something we need to chat about. You check, because that trade from there, if it breaks and holds below the opening range low, then it's valid to go lower.
yeah.
So
Nah,
then
bro,
you can
we-
pass like a phase one in one session. Do you like
We in sync, yeah, bro.
All right, Chad. For the guys, the pippers and dippers. If you were pipping and dipping today, you're gonna pull your hair.
Yeah.
You're gonna pull your hair, and it's like, oh, but I thought we took the one win. It's like, hey, man, that was just the appetizers. Keegan brought the entrees and the main, and then Chris just brought the dessert. Chad, I think gold for me is chalked for the day. I'm not going to try and sell this. If you want to try and sell it, you can do it. But for me, the big thing for me on gold is I want to see where the daily closes. Because if the daily holds outside of this level, it's easy for tomorrow. But if this daily comes all the way back, then it just got a lot of guys bullish.
So Jordan, it differs, bro. A lot of the time we were risking 1% per trade, but then we're always aiming for like a 2R on each trade. Obviously myself, I have a much more aggressive approach. So right off the rip, I'll technically be risking 2%. Purely, so if the guys know with the cracker, when I've started the cracker, like on all the accounts, why they've all been passed so quickly, is there's two approaches you can do with it. You either go 0.5% and have the chance of scaling in, but now with the V2 that Chris and myself have developed, I've noticed, listen, we don't get a lot of scaling in opportunity if you are in TP. So
You either get stopped or go to TP.
So my thing is, I'll rather than just risk the 1%, but then as I say, I'm always guaranteed. So every trade is like a 2% trade then. So for example, like let's say if I took all three trades, the first one, the second one, and I took one with Chris, that's 6% in one day. And yes, this isn't normal. Like we don't normally trade like this. But I think this is the cracker. It's a lot of things developing. So we will get to this point. But yeah, like a day like this, now you 6% in one day.
Yeah, we broke the TP for... I actually peed before we started. I always try and pee before. Jakes, we actually did wait for this one. Remember, the cracker is not based on time. It's based off the open. And then it's based off the cracker levels. And then this one we waited after the shuffle. This opening range, low and high, is the 15-minute shuffle, basically.
Yeah. But also, to be fair, a lot of the stuff we're trading off nowadays is with that open range and with the cracker. So the thing is, in the rules of how those strategies trade, the 15-minute shuffle is not part of that. So you are following the rules. We're just not following the 15-minute shuffle rule.
Ed, you're right. I think this is the best the stream has ever done. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
We can just have gratitude, Chad. Not boasting. That's why we pray every single day, irrespective of the result. You guys would have heard the prayer, and you guys would have heard the chat I had this morning with you guys, where I said it's just about being real and raw here. And we struggle at times. We get demotivated at times. We pull our hair at times. But ultimately, days like today just feel great.
100%.
Kicks, it's
100%.
days like today where it just gives you that little boost. For the golfers, you would know. Play a terrible round. Those last two holes, you hit maybe a good drive, a good iron shot. And those last two holes is what brings you back again the next time.
But it's also, bro, it's just that simple thing of a day like this and you go, shit, I actually can trade. I think I know what I'm doing.
I'm not a complete idiot.
Yeah.
It's like, what's that guy from InfoWars? And it's like, you know what? I'm actually a little bit of an idiot. Anyway, let me find that.
Like you guys can have that little bit of faith in me now.
Yeah, wait, let me see. That video.
Hey, Lyndon, appreciate the donor, brother. Yeah, guys, gold wall pullback. I just don't know about right now. Keep in mind, we always talk about this is where guys are going to, they're going to get smashed because they're going to keep trying to hedge it now.
I know. Sorry, man. I was in a meeting till that. That's why the stream started late. I checked. There's a message and a missed call. So after the stream, we're gonna chat. Sorry, man. I missed your call. I was rushing to get the stream ready.
Damn, that's crazy. I know.
Dude, that is sickless, bro. Yo, I know that is filthy, dude. Honey, is that on the 15 minute? With those rule sets that just wanted to stream the bot with you. Okay. No, honey, that is absolutely messy.
Nah, I'm excited to see what this is.
That is absolutely sickening.
Bro, imagine the day like this when we activate this thing and it goes like you start taking this thing to prop firms. People are gonna be like, "What the hell is going on here?"
Listen, in our terms and conditions, Linda bot is banned. Are you? They're gonna ask you, "What is this? Is this that Linda bot?" No.
You know, bro, it's gonna be a simple thing. Do you trade the Linda bot? If you don't know what it is, just click no. If you click yes, we do not do business with you. Anyone that knows what the Linda bot is.
No, I'm done, Jonathan. You don't poke a bear.
Nah, Jonathan, we done, bro. We done. We just hanging out with the guys.
You don't poke a bear 3 times in the eye and think you get away with it.
Like the third thing, that's the thing, guys. All good things come in 3 and bad things.
Yeah,
But don't test your luck with the 4th time.
No, bro, you don't poke a bear like 4 times in the eye and think you're not going to get mauled.
The 3rd time, you were lucky to get away to tell the story. But now go tell the story. Don't sit around.
Don't wait for the bear to maul you. Some of the boys wait for the bear to come and attack you. Bro, but we did say we're going to get some beautiful volume yet.
You said, it was going to be a good volume there. And guys, you know what? This is what I talk about. Like, just sometimes, you know what? It sucks. But be patient. Wait for the right trades to come your way and jump on them.
Keeks, quickly zoom in quite close. I just want to quickly check here more or less. I'm trying to figure out if we can get just the aspect ratio right for the split screen. Go on the 1 minute quickly, like those trades you took, and get like a comfortable workspace quickly for yourself. I just want to check something here. Okay, get it comfortable for you as well, where it's not like too zoomed in. No, but I just want us to be start becoming like spatially aware of where we are.
I think something like that, bro.
Is that comfortable for you? Chad, how's that? How's that split? Do you guys feel it's too zoomed out? Or how's that for you guys?
I'm going to check it out, Brian. General.
Okay, well, I can actually check here on my side. The chat is a little bit chalky. It actually doesn't look bad. Kicks. Okay, wait.
Brian, what am I looking for in it?
I can actually do this with Keegan's screen. And then Keegan's screen.
I'm in it, bro, but I don't. Let me just put it on this side so I can read what you're saying as well. Don't try. Bro, you joking. Hold on.
What now?
Don tried to short.
Who's Don? Is he back?
No, he's so in the thing they've been talking about. I don't know where the guys are getting the info from, But that last little bit that was in the MAM accounts, he's been trying to bring it back. And I think that's why he's being quiet. Like he's gonna, if you could bring it back, then he's gonna come
marketing.
back. And
I told you, don't doubt me.
But now, yeah, he shorted all-time highs.
But how do you guys know though? Are you on the MAM?
No, well, I think there's guys in the MAM that are part of the MAM that are in the chat.
Yeah, bro, you don't short all-time highs. Not with a multi-week breakout. Not with a multi-week breakout. Good work. It's a risky play. Hope it works out for him, honestly, and more for the people.
Yeah, they're like, yeah, the man effed up again. Trying to short all-time highs.
Little too zoomed out for me personally. Wait, let me get my glasses. Chad, yeah, let me know. Otherwise, let me quickly do a little on-screen edit here. I just want to see more or less what we can potentially do. Myself and Keeks would just need to...
So, apparently the MAM was from 100 to 5% on the 29th. Then after recovering, he got it back up to 15%, and he lost everything. Now it's at 0.5%. Okay. Chad,
I need to repent. Sorry, man. I need to... No.
Bro,
Sorry, Chad, I'm sorry,
doing?
man. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. That's very wrong for me too.
Yeah, facts. The last time I took trades from him was when I spent what few dollars I had buying his useless signals channel, which was a waste of my money because that MF made his biggest loss that month. After that, I learned to trade and stay away from him. Laugh my ass off.
Chad, okay, Keeks, I think, okay, so here's the zoomed in version. So quickly go back to your chart.
Okay, I'm going back.
Okay, so Chad, this is the zoomed in version. How's this? Let's actually quickly check. Now I think the labels here on the side are a little bit more clear. It's a little bit more zoomed. We've got a smaller area to play with. I can actually bring this a little bit to the side.
Wait, hold on. Was there a hater here in the chat?
Keeks, quickly check on the YouTube and then bring your area. I just want to check, Chad, what do you think? Is this better? I feel this is...
Hold on, bro. I'm trying to...
Yeah. How's this, Chad?
So I need to pull my stuff to like the top right of my screen.
No, just keep it like that.
No, I can't, because if I had it there where it was off the screen.
So yeah, you have to...
Like mine needs to be top right of my screen. Then
top right,
in the middle.
Are you happy with that? Just for this, we're not always going to go split screen. Chad, how's this? Is this better?
It's just, I think, I just need to find out how far out I'm going to zoom. So, for example, like if I trade, like that's a 60 point. Just so I know, because like that's a normal trade, So, then I could zoom it in a bit more.
I know you're right. What we'll do is, Keeks, for this area here, we can bring those symbols back and just like put it there so the guys know.
Oh, I can do that.
Yeah, so, okay. So that's perfect to see. Okay, perfect. So we'll just play around a little bit with the settings, but back to key and screen there. Just your price tab a little bit to the right. Sorry, man. That's going to eke me a little bit more. Sorry.
All good.
Just a little bit more.
Phase 2, let's go. God, must be awesome, bro.
Are you saying that we got a hater in the chat?
No, I just saw what Dorito was saying. So he's like, no, there wasn't a hater. He's just talking in general. Because he was just like, when are the haters going to stop hating on the G's? You guys do this every day.
Yeah, we'll anchor it, Brian. We'll spend some time tomorrow morning. I know Keeks doesn't even have a watermark, so you can anchor it anyways.
Sure, bro. I hate a watermark, guys.
Keeks is that no watermark guy.
Guys, it throws me off. Like, it's like if you want to draw a picture, and then I put a picture behind the picture. Now my eyes are just like, what the hell am I looking at? Am I looking at the chart or am I reading the word? I don't know. It just throws me off.
Picture in picture.
Yeah. Hey, bro. Just look at the ticker symbol by the price. Yeah.
No, but we will do it, guys. Because here's the thing: a lot of guys jump on and off. So that's something that we are working on in terms of we always need to almost be like I don't want to say a talk show, but if you watch the UFC, you'll a lot of times hear what's the guy next to Joe Rogan, the smaller guy. That's always with Joe. He's also quite big with the UFC, but he will always say after like a little commercial break or like at the start of a new round, it's like, if you guys just joined us, this is what's happening, and just brings you back up to speed. So
There, John.
yeah, so in terms of what are we doing, we need to figure that out, because remember we're focusing on the trading, but we also need to almost bring that PR side in as well. Be very aware of what it is that you guys visually assist you, and then also from an audio perspective, how do we always make sure that everyone is on the exact same page?
Yeah.
John Inc. Color commentator. Did somebody say color commentator? John Anik. John Inc. Usman Suma. Hey man, Jax. Hey, Jaxie. Chad, yo, before I forget, we actually need to. We are going to confirm a venue tomorrow, guys, for the Cape Town trip. So please expect an email. Jeremy's just going to take some videos for us tomorrow. Quickly, just check the venue that it's right. So I almost want to say that at this stage we're going to have to cap. I don't think we can take any more people for it. So what I'm going to do is I think we'll actually send out a mail, because there's a lot of you guys that RSVP, but once we've got the date, the date is set. Once we've got the venue set, so if you can just make 100% sure, because I don't think we're going to be able to host everyone though. So yeah, at this stage, the guys that are ready, we're going to go on first come, first serve basis. You guys will be in, and then anyone else that comes in after that, unfortunately, you're going to be shortlisted if somebody pulls out. But at this stage, the venue, I already think. Geeks, but Tiger's Milk can host 300 people, eh? Yeah. No, I'm kidding, Chad. It's not 300.
Right.
Bro, I think we can end it, bro.
I was gonna say, I don't know if you're okay
I'm
with
not gonna.
ending it a bit early.
No, we can end, bro. We took
so
our.
get some stuff done.
Yeah, we did what we have to do.
Hey, Nizam. Shot for the donor there.
When profits are made, hey, Nazam,
Appreciate it, brother.
sowing a beautiful seed there. Okay, full screen time.
Full screens,
full
bro.
screen chat for the boys. There we go. Full screen.
Yeah. Guys, I don't think we can't complain today. We waited. We got the TPs. Some guys even had a good TP this morning. I don't know if they didn't take the break even. Maybe guys closed. They had a TP this morning. And then again, 3 TPs New York session and full TPs. So beautiful day on the markets, guys.
Little to no drawdown,
Yeah.
actually.
So Chris, any closing remarks there, brother?
No, Chad, I think, like we said today, please don't give back anything. 3 trades winning in trading is already hard enough. You saw me get murdered on a phase 1 on FTMO where things just went bad. But yeah, we're gonna bounce back from that. Gonna do a little bit of a study over the weekend. Come back, tell you guys what I learned from it. So there's nothing goes wasted. Everything is data. Everything we can use. But I think let's end strong tomorrow. 2 more sessions left for the week. We said it's gonna be a nice end to the week. We said the volume is gonna come in. So let's make use of this volume. let's just make sure we still follow our plan. But appreciate it, Kicks. Beautiful,
Awesome.
beautiful session.
Guys, you know what? Just the cherry on the cake. If you haven't, please just drop a like, subscribe, because we don't even know. Overnight, we could wake up. We might be at 13K, guys, when we get here tomorrow morning.
Let me check where we are now.
We're quite close. I think we're at 950 or 940 or something. So the rate we've been growing, 60 overnight, should be chilled. So again, guys, please, the love, it's just been incredible. The support has been amazing. Again, Chris, myself, very, very excited. 2 weeks till we come up to Cape Town, get to meet the Cape Town fam. So we are super stoked for it. But as always, guys, great day. Please don't go give it back. Enjoy those profits. Enjoy being up on those accounts. And again, let's finish strong. Let's take the momentum into Friday tomorrow.
Sorry, Chad. Keegs did say, he said, I'm nervous about the Cape Town trip. He said, we cannot lose any more trades or the guys are going to blix on us. And he said, like, I know you can throw a punch. I know I can throw a punch. But 50, 60 guys mooring us, it's not going to be good. Like, we have to first get some. If we don't get like 3-4 more TPs next week, Keegan said we're cancelling the Cape Town trip because the Oaks are going to moor us. No, I'm kidding, Chad. Peace and love, baby.
Yeah, always, guys, take care of yourself, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.